Now let's play the C major scale backwards. Also remember, you can be using a C 4-hole diatonic harmonica like this one I'm using right now, or you can try with a chromatic harmonica like this one that I'm having here. Listen the metronome and play the C major scale backwards. Ah. Well done. Let's try a little bit faster. We were playing at 50 BPMs using the metronome. Now we will play at 60 BPM. Remember to be patient, listen to the metronome, listen to your harmonica, and try to feel good playing the instrument. Breathe in, breathe out, be with your instrument. Listen to the metronome. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Enjoy your book.